Was it okay? Was it so scary? Oh, that's not bad, huh? They were nice to you. Huh? It's okay. Now you gotta fix your feathers? Yeah.